Good day, sir and madam. I'm Ana Marie Publico. I'm 27 years old, married with Glenn Publico, a driver. We have three children, a 7 years old boy, 6 years old girl, and 4 years old boy. Um, I have a work experience in the Philippines for 5 years for taking good care of children, especially to my newborn baby and 2 years old girl. I have also a companion to the house to clean the house and wash their clothes.
Okay, so you serve a couple with 2 kids.
Yes, ma'am.
And your main duty is to...
Taking good care of the newborn.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the newborn baby, were you also required to do household chores?
Yes, ma'am. I help to my companions inside the house when my newborn baby is asleep.
So, do you cook?
I cook Filipino food.
How
And
about...
sometimes I bake cupcakes and pasta. I love to cook pasta.
Okay, so how about washing clothes
I
and...
wash clothes and ironing, gardening.
Okay. So, tell me, Anna, why should Hong Kong employer hire you as their helper?
Hong Kong employer should hire me because I'm hardworking, I can manage my time, and I'm willing to follow the rules and regulations of the house as my employer said to me.
Okay, so good luck to you, Anna.
Thank you, ma'am and sir.